Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed and unknown error occurred on your iPhone. If you are trying to make or update any setting in your Apple ID, or you're facing a this type issue that your verification has been failed, or you'll get an unknown error occurred. So let's see how can you fix it very easily. So now very first we're trying to refresh our network. Scroll down your control center, and from here you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open settings app, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that there is not any pending software updates. If you find trying to update your software, then go back, open VPN device management settings, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, hotspot, server, airdrop, and Bluetooth. It will not delete your data. It will reset all of your network settings. Your issue will be fixed in this step. After that, you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.